Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has reiterated call for collective efforts in conservation of wildlife and forests. Governor Bhalla was speaking during grand finale of 71st Wildlife Week Celebration 2025, which was organized by Forest Department, Government of Manipur at City Convention Center in Palace Compound today. Speaking in the program, which was held on the theme Human-Wildlife Coexistence, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla emphasized on the rare flora and fauna that are endemic to Manipur, while citing the example of Kaibul Lamjau National Park, which is home to endangered and endemic Sangai deer. He also highlighted other rare species such as Himalayan black bear, Himalayan sun bear and Amur falcons, which are found in hill districts of Manipur. Speaking further, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla stressed on the need to conserve this wildlife and their habitat for future generations. Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel, along with top government officials, school children, attended the program, which also saw a prize distribution ceremony for students who had participated in essay and painting competitions that were conducted as part of Wildlife Week. NGOs and individuals are committed in wildlife conservation were also felicitated during the program.
Wildlife Week is more than just a celebration. It's a reminder of our collective responsibility towards the diverse flora and fauna that sustain life on Earth. The theme of this year's celebration, Human-Wildlife Coexistence, resonates deeply with the landscapes of Manipur, a land where tradition and nature have long existed together. It urges us to protect our forests, wetlands and wildlife while embracing sustainable development. Manipur is blessed with extraordinary biodiversity. Our state is home to numerous endemic, rare and endangered species. The Sangai, the world's only brow-antled deer, the clouded leopard, Hulok gibbon, our state bird Nongin, Himalayan black bear and a rich diversity of birds, reptiles and orchids. In the exhibition outside, I have seen beautiful photographs and would like to compliment the children who have done paintings with such nice live colors, as if the painting is actually the real life picture of a sky, a forest, water body and all. Manipur has the potential to become a model for balancing tradition, development and biodiversity conservation.